I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Curve account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once you're in the app, go to the Wallet section. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. In the Wallet section, look for the Withdraw option. Tap on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal method. You will see various withdrawal methods. Select the one that suits you best, such as bank transfer or card withdrawal. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you choose bank transfer, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your account. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble withdrawing your money. Happy banking!